Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we are going to do another updated look at our $25 a week dividend portfolio. Yes, we are contributing $25 every single week into this portfolio and tracking it, seeing how it's doing, and hopefully helping to motivate a lot of you guys out there who haven't started to invest yet, or maybe you want to start investing, you're just not really sure where to go, where to start, how to get the ball rolling. Hopefully this helps motivate you, helps give you some pointers, some guidance as you start to invest, start to grow your money, because that's what it's all about, getting your hard-earned money to work for you. Don't just go grinding, make that money and then just spend it all immediately. Get some of that money in a portfolio that will start to make you money. So, as you guys can see, we do have our portfolio here that has a 0.38% return over the past day. So it's doing pretty good in the short term. But when we jump out to the past week, you can see we are down 0.32%. Now, are we going to go down or up from here? Well, we're going to continue to go up from here. As you can see, we are up 5.10% over the past month. The past quarter, we're up 2.2%. And then 1 year in all time. Oh, that's interesting that it jumped like that, because a moment ago I thought it did say something different. But as you can see, all time we are up 14.43%, and that gives us a total. Our total portfolio is up $1,772.92. So, my friends, we started this portfolio back on February 1st with only $100. Then on February 5th, we contributed an additional $500. So, yeah, we did about $100, and then we did $25 there. Then we did another 25, then another 25, one more 25, and then this next investment, this next contribution, I think we did another one right there too. But then the next one was $500, and we got that from our stimulus check. So when you get a larger amount of money coming in from something, maybe you get a raise with your job, maybe you get a new client, if you're self-employed, maybe, you just get some more money than what you usually have. Well, you know that you've done your budgeting, so all of your bills are already accounted for. You have extra money going towards XYZ. Well, maybe you consider adding more money into your dividend portfolio like we did here, which helped to obviously speed up the process of us getting up to closer to 1,000. And, we just kept contributing, kept the ball moving forward. And now we are up to, again, $1,700, almost $1,800. And so when we look and see, who's doing well, where is this money coming from? Well, of course, we have Newt, our REIT, up there at the top, where it continues to just dominate with a 41.75%. Then we have PepsiCo at 26.63%, followed by our other REIT, Realty Income Corp, at 26.35%. Then we have JP Morgan Chase at 16.71%. Then IIPR, which is the newest REIT that we added to our portfolio, and it continues to perform well at 16.40%. Then we have Coca-Cola at 15.60%, Procter & Gamble at 15%, and then Johnson & Johnson at 4.88%. Then in the red, we have 3M at -0.27%, and then Verizon Communications at negative 5.07%. So as a whole, things continue to move forward and up, right? That's what we want. We're always going to be going forward, of course, but you don't always go up. And sometimes you have to zoom out to see that progress. Because sometimes when you're zoomed in close, it doesn't really look like there's been any progress. And if anything, there hasn't been. If anything, you've gone down a little bit. So you have to zoom out and look at the bigger picture and see, okay, now I can actually see those times when we went down, those were actually small little bumps compared to the overall trajectory of where we're going and where we've been, that those little moments don't really matter. It's all about the bigger picture. And I continue to speak about it being a marathon and not a sprint. Well, this, my friends, is exactly what I'm talking about. Because all those little slumps and whatnot, these are little sprints. And we might end up losing in some of those little sprints. But in the bigger picture, in the marathon, and the whole long distance, the whole course of the race, we're actually doing pretty good at, again, 14.43%. And that actually gives us about $36 in earned dividends, and our market gain is up to almost $114, $115. And when we actually looked at our earned dividends, you'll see, of course, our REITs pretty much are at the top, where we have Newtek at $8.84, then Verizon Communications at $4.15, followed by our other REIT, Realty Income Corp, at $3.55. The newest REIT that we added to our portfolio obviously wouldn't be in here because we haven't had them long enough to actually have earned a dividend payout yet. But between Newtek and Realty Income Corp, I'm not surprised that they are continuing to be among the top dividend pay, companies that are paying us, as well as companies that are performing well with their actual stock share price and the market gain. So, hey, again, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So even if this does dip next week or the week after that, don't sweat it, my friends. Start your portfolio and continue. Continue to invest in your portfolio. This is your future. This is about the long term, not the short term. And you just got to be persistent. That's what it really comes down to. Starting and then being persistent with continuing to contribute towards your future, towards your growth portfolio, your dividend portfolio, whatever portfolio it is. Just start, my friends. And you can start by using my links down below. I got you. I got a link where you can start using M1 Finance. And if you hit my link, use my link, I believe they'll give you $50. It might be $30, but I think it might be $50 right now if you start and fund your account. So, I think if you start it with $100, they'll basically give you half of that money back for free. And it's not even you're not really paying them for the 100. It's going into, again, some companies that you are investing in. So not a bad deal if you haven't started yet. Definitely consider using that link or my Webull link, which if you use Webull, start your brokerage account, fund it. I believe they'll give you some free stocks. Free stocks, free money. Either way, you get something for free, baby. So click those links down below. And while you're down there, smash that like button. Help a brother out. It lets me know that you guys enjoy and appreciate these type of videos. And also, while you're down there, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because then you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. But all right, my friends, I got to punch out the our new growth portfolio, which if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do look, and hopefully I'll remember to post a card up in the top corner so you guys can check out the growth portfolio. If I don't remember to post it there, just look in my videos. You'll see it. You'll see it. It'll probably be my next video after this video. So I got to go and punch that video up, but you guys already know I got to keep it moving. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.